Fun with Jib, episode 5. Today we are going to be exploring patterns!
That's right. Make a pattern. Make a pattern. Let's make a pattern.
Now, patterns are things that repeat in a logical way. And repeat just means do more than once.
Pattern is something that comes in a certain order and repeats.
I've actually done something on my face. And what do you think that is? It's actually a pattern. I've got a blue flower, a pink flower, a blue flower, a pink flower, a blue flower, a pink flower, a blue flower. And do you know what will come next? A pink flower. Well done. That's exactly it. Good job. Ta-da! Alessia has made an appearance. And you can see she's got a pattern on her face too with her face paint. Alessia has got another pattern and she has done it on her fingernails. What have you got on your fingernails, Alessia? What's the pattern that you've put on?
Purple and red.
Yep.
Purple and red. Purple and red.
Yes!
Purple and red. Purple and red.
Well done! That's the pattern. That might be something that you want to do. You might want to make a pattern on your fingernails or your toenails.
Now step into my pattern palace and let's all have some fun!
You might see patterns on your bedroom wall. You might see some patterns on an artwork that you have in your house. You might see patterns on your clothes. Patterns can be made with letters, with numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
With pictures, with food, so many different ways that you create different patterns. I have come up with a lot of different activities for you involving patterns. So you can try them at home and have some fun because patterns are the best! For this activity, you will need some flowers you may want to collect on your daily walk and some corrugated cardboard, scissors, something to poke some holes with that Mum and Dad will use, and some coloured textures. For the first activity, you're going to draw your own vase and create your own pattern on it. And then you're going to arrange some flowers. Wonder what this pattern is. Let's work it out. Use the coloured pom-poms in the egg carton to help you work out the rest of the pattern. And then do the same for the letters below. Now with the letters. W-P-P, W-P-P. I got it! I wonder what this pattern is. 2 pink hearts, 2 red hearts. Oh, I've got it! Now go on and add the stickers to complete the pattern. This is a pattern involving letters. Let's have a look. A, B, B, C, A. I've got it! B, B, C. Yes! And finally, we get to make a pattern out of fruit. Add the fruit on a skewer and create a pattern. And the best part is, you get to eat it after. Okay, this is our activity for today. What we're going to be doing is using these coloured dots and we're going to be setting up our own patterns, okay? So, I'm going to arrange them into a pattern and you can see if you can follow along and continue the pattern with me. Let's go.
Tell me the pattern.
Yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, and the next one is green. There we go. Yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. We've made our first pattern.
We did it! We did it! We did it!
Let's try another pattern using the same two colours. Let's go. Yellow, yellow, green, green, yellow, yellow, and what would be next? You guessed it, green and green. Okay, now we're going to add a new colour to our pattern. We're going to add orange. Let's see how we go. Yellow, green, orange. Yellow, green, orange. There you go, we made another pattern. Gosh, we're clever. High five.
Just do this, but with your hand.
Now that we've come up with some patterns using our dots, we're going to make up our own dance. Because you know what? Dances are just patterns as well.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Every different colour will have a different dance move. Will you come and dance with me? Come on, let's go! So excited! Okay, I've got my disco on and I'm ready to dance. So let's start adding some dance moves to our pattern. We have yellow, green, orange. Yellow, green, orange. So the first dance move I'm going to add to the pattern, the yellow one, is going to be clap. So when we step on the yellow dot, it's clap. When we step on the green dot, it's going to be tap. And when we step on the orange one, it's going to be hands in the air twice. Okay? So it's going to be clap, tap, hands in the air. Clap, tap, hands in the air. How much fun is that going to be? We'll add some cool music to it and it'll be really fun to do. And clap, tap, hands in the air. 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 Well done! Should we try it a little bit faster this time? Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hands in the air. Clap, tap, hands in the air. Hands in the air. Clap, tap, hands in the air. Well done! You guys are such good dancers. I'm very impressed. So you have just made a pattern with colours and also made a pattern with dance moves. Well done. Now are you up for a bit of a challenge?
Stepping up to the challenge!
Should we try another one and this time maybe shake our hips and shake our bot bot?
Oh my gosh, look at her butt.
Should we get started? Let's go! The yellow dot is going to be shake your hips. The green one's going to be clap your hands. And the orange one's going to be shake your butt butt. Okay, let's add some cool music to our pattern. Ready everyone? Shake your hips, clap. Shake your butt butt. Shake your hips, clap. Shake your butt butt. And then go back to the beginning and do it all over again. How cool is that? So much fun. Now I think it's time for you, groovers and pattern makers, to come up with your own patterns. And then you can share a dance and the pattern with your friends or family. It's going to be so much fun. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you have fun exploring all the patterns in your surroundings, and I will see you next time.